I'm going to go ahead and get started, show you guys what I found. A lot of this stuff is so cute, and there's some new things too that I don't recall seeing last year. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed some more of these canvas collapsible storage boxes. But they had some more in this red and black buffalo check, and I did grab four more of these. So I'm going to try and put these to good use. My craft room is overflowing, so these are going to come in handy. So I did get four more of those. They had the cutest little tin containers, and I just really liked this one. It says North Pole Tree Farm, and on the sides it's got all the little farm trucks and I don't know, looks like a Jeep station wagon sort of thing on here. But anyway, I think this is really, really cute. I'm just going to use this probably for decor, and inside is just the gold tin. So I did go ahead and grab one of those. And this is in the medium size. I think they have some that are smaller, but I didn't see them. So if they happen to get some larger size ones, then I might pick those up too. The next things that I picked up are these really, really cute little baskets. They look like Santa Claus. I grabbed two of these because I like to decorate using things like this. What I planned on doing was getting some poinsettias, some live poinsettias, some real ones, and setting them down in here to kind of dress them up for Christmas to decorate with. So I did grab two of these. So there's those. I thought those were really cute. Let's see here. I'll move this stuff out of the way. I did find this little basket. It just says Merry Christmas, and it's red, nothing fancy. It just says Merry Christmas on this one side. The other side back here is plain. So I got this to decorate with also. Not really sure what I'm going to put in there, but I'm sure I can find something. So grab that. They had some new ribbons out, so I went ahead and grabbed, I grabbed three of these red and black buffalo check ones. I'm going to be making quite a few wreaths and everything this year, so I was trying to stock up on some ribbon, and this is the 2.5 inch by 9 feet. So I did grab 3 rolls of this, and I may end up going back and getting some more of this. So I really like it. The next two little things of ribbon that I got, they had this last year also, but it's the one with the little farmhouse or the farm truck with the Christmas tree in the back, and it says Merry Christmas on there, which I think is really cute. So I did go ahead and grab 2 more of these, and they are also the 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon that's 9 feet long. Let's see here. Okay, guys, these are so stinking cute, and I have seen other people haul the ones with the gnomes on them, and I have not found them yet, but they have these really, really cute coffee mugs or hot cocoa mugs or whatever you want to put in here. But these are so cute, and I've seen people haul the ones that has the 3 little gnomes on there, and I have not found that coffee mug yet, but I have been looking. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I look. But this one says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, and it's got the little red farm truck on there with the Christmas tree in it, and it does have the design on both sides. And the inside is just plain, which these are, you know, a decent sized cup. They're not huge, but good enough for a cup of coffee or a cup of hot cocoa. And then this one says, express your elf, which I think is so cute. So I did grab this one. They had several others to choose from with different sayings and things like that on. This does have the same design on the other side, which I like. And this is a lot bigger. Seems like it's a bigger mug than this one. At least it's bigger around than the farm truck one. So anyway, I thought that was really cute. And I'm hoping that I can find that little elf or the little gnome ones. This is new, I do believe. I don't think they had these last year, but they are these reindeer tea light holders. These are so nice. They kind of look high-end, really. I could picture seeing these maybe at, you know, Home Goods or TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that. They have these in different colors, and I really liked the silver ones. And they did also have some that were shaped like Christmas trees. So, but I really like the reindeer ones. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them silver or if I may possibly paint them white or black, or I just don't know yet. But I did get 2 of these, and I don't know. I should have got more. I say that in every video. I should have got more. Why didn't I? I don't know. But anyway, grab 2 of those. I really like those. Those are really cute. I did go ahead and pick up another bag of these pom-poms. There's 80 in here, and these are the all-white ones, but they're the small ones. So I'm going to see what I can come up with for these. I grabbed this ornament, and I got this because I think I'm going to take it apart and try to do something separate with each of these snowflakes. There's 3 on here. So I don't really know. I think I'm going to take it apart, possibly take the tinsel off of it, and try and figure out some sort of a DIY that I can do. I don't know. I just got it just as an experiment kind of thing to see what I might be able to come up with this. They did have some that were different colors, but I just wanted the all silver ones. Which it really doesn't matter because, you know, I'm going to be taking this tinsel and stuff off anyway, I think. So anyway, grab that. They had these. Now they have these every year, but I don't know. I think that these may be taller this year. I could be wrong. I don't normally buy these, but they just looked bigger this year to me, and I have plans to do something different with these. But they are the 3, well, I bought 3 of these little tinsel Christmas trees. So I did grab 3 of the red ones. They did have several different colors. So, but I grabbed 3 of them. And I was noticing as you stack them up, you know, they get taller and wider. So that might be an idea. So anyway, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll have to wait and see. But went ahead and grabbed those. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. But if you're a Little Red Farm Truck fan, then you're going to like this. But it's like, I don't even know. I guess it's supposed to be an ornament. It does have a string over here where you could hang it on your tree if you wanted to. But I don't know. I just think it's cute. It's a Little Red Farm Truck. It says Merry Christmas up there. It's got the Christmas tree in the back. The other side, same thing. The back. So, I don't know. I may, look at his headlights. They look like they're a little bit crooked, but anyway, I think it's really cute. I may try and spruce it up and do something with it, but I just went ahead and, that's why I only got 1 of them, so we'll see. I did grab one of these little wreaths that's in the shape of the stocking. They have these pretty much every year. I'm going to be doing, making a wreath out of this, making a stocking, but I'm going to redo it. I probably won't leave the tinsel on here. I'm just going to redo it. But anyway, grabbed one of those. And then they also had the Santa hats. And I'm going to be making a wreath out of this too. So I went ahead and grabbed one of these. I think I may have a couple of these from last year that I bought. So that's why I only bought one. So anyway, grab that one. I've seen this and I love the colors. I'm not doing anything for Christmas in these colors, but it just, I don't know. It's eye-catching, but it's like a little serving platter or tray. They're calling it a tray. But it says, believe in the magic of Christmas. And I just love these colors together. I love that teal blue color with the red. I don't know. I just think it's so pretty and it's different. I just really like it. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe making a wreath using these colors. And maybe using this as the sign for the center of the wreath. I don't know yet, but I think this is really pretty and it's different, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Let's see, the last two things that I picked up, I think they had something similar to these last year, but I'm thinking they were smaller. But these are reindeer, like flying, looks like they're flying through the air. They had them in different colors. I wanted the red ones. I did grab two of them, but I don't know. I think I may go back and get some more. I just don't know yet, but these are really nice. I don't like all the glitter, obviously, but I don't know. I may do something different with these. I'm just not real sure yet what I'm going to do, but I don't know. I think these are so nice. They're a really good size. I mean, that's, look how big they are. So, anyway, went ahead and grabbed a couple of those. And I did notice there was a lot of people interested in these. So, I don't know, they may not have any left when I go back. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish that you would. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. And so if you haven't subscribed and you like Dollar Tree hauls, I would appreciate it. I hope that you guys are having a good day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.